What's the meaning of bottom drawer? Bottom drawer. Bottom drawer.
Bottom drawer. Bottom drawer. The term bottom drawer is commonly used to refer to a special drawer or compartment in furniture, such as a dresser or chest of drawers, that is traditionally used to store a young woman's collection of personal items, including clothing, linens, and other practical household items, in anticipation of her eventual marriage. The concept originates from the custom of women collecting household items in preparation for their future married life, with the bottom drawer being reserved for these items until they were needed. Today, the term is often used figuratively to refer to something that is being saved or reserved for future use, typically with a romantic or sentimental connotation.